Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be turning on the camera and just sitting down and chatting with you. It's a beautiful sunny day and I'm just loving every minute of it. Welcome back to my channel. I probably shouldn't be, but I did a little bit of shopping recently and I've just been wanting to get a few new pieces of loungewear just to like refresh my wardrobe again for the new year, and I want to tell you about all of the different pieces that I've been loving lately. Also, throughout the first 2 months of the year, I find that there are awesome sales, so that's probably another reason why I couldn't hold back, and I bought a few new things for myself. This is all loungewear I purchased from Aritzia, Aerie, and I want to show you some of my favorite things from Amazon. If you are looking for things on a budget, absolutely everything will be linked down below, so feel free to use my links. As I always do with all my haul videos, I will be trying all of these items on for you so you can see how they look on me. And then also I'll be very particular about sharing with you all of the sizes that I got, just so that if you're ordering online, you can use me as a reference point to help you. Let's get started. So actually the first thing is this sweater. This is the crew neck sweater from Aritzia. That's their cozy AF fleece line. And it's just so comfortable. I am such a crew neck person. I love crew necks over hoodies any day. I just like the way that they like fit on my neckline, and I don't know, sometimes hoodies like bother me when I'm bundling up in the winter. They just feel like really bulky on my neck. I don't know if that's just me, but I way prefer a crew neck. And this one I just couldn't hold back because of the color. It's such great quality. I got it on sale, so that also made it a little bit easier to swallow, but it's because sometimes loungewear from Aritzia can be a little bit expensive, or just Aritzia in general is expensive, but it has such a nice fleece on the inside. I got it in their size 1, so they have size 1, 2, and 3 because it's an oversized fit, so that's how the sizing works. And I've washed and dried it and it just fits me perfectly. So I really like this, and I will continue to look on Amazon for different dupes. I'm sure you can get cozy crew neck sweaters anywhere. I have one from Uniqlo that I really like as well, so I will continue to look for dupes and share them with you along the way. If you have any good dupes, leave me a comment down below. I'd love to check out your options. This one to me was really worth the price from Aritzia because of the color. I really have been into this like soft blue color. It's actually called granite blue from their website. I've been into it for my nails as well, and then even my phone background is like this blue color. By the way, this is I've been loving my iPhone 13 Pro, so if you would be interested in seeing what's on my iPhone, this background, I'll actually link to it if I can. I got it on Pinterest. I don't know who was the creator, but I'll make sure to note it down below. Anyways, I've been obsessed with this blue color. I think this is the color of my year. And so it's so cozy. I've been living in this sweater. I love it so much. And I went out and got the matching leggings. I ordered these online. These are something to write home about. My favorite leggings from Aritzia are the TNA Life brand. They're the Atmosphere style, they're high-waisted, and these are in the 7/8 length. And for me, that's full length. I'm 5'3", in case you were wondering. And I got them in a size extra small. I've been a fan of these leggings for many years. I actually have a pair that I wanted to show you. These I got like over 6 years ago. They have like slight pilling on them now because they're 6 years old, but nothing that is too bad that I like can't wear them anymore, especially since I usually just wear them around the house. But you can also get like a device to help with pilling. But honestly, after 6 years, they started to pill. So for me, I think that the quality has really held up over the years, and like the cut is what I really like about them. The cut and the material. I really like the TNA Life because I find that it's the perfect balance of compression and comfort. So they're just really simple leggings. They don't have any detail on them. They don't have a side seam, which I really like. They're just really, really plain, and I love that. This is like my go-to style from Aritzia in terms of their leggings. I'm excited to wear a matching set. I really like that look. I don't know, I just love this color, and I think that these will be a really great piece to wear like through the winter and into early fall because they are a lighter color. I love them. And these leggings from Aritzia, they very rarely go on sale. They're $68, which I think is not terrible for the quality in comparison to Lululemon. Lululemon leggings are double the price and in my mind are the same quality, so I will always opt for the Aritzia leggings over Lululemon any day. Next, I actually got the exact same leggings in this navy blue color, which is called Total Eclipse. And I'm really excited because I am trying to steer away from just black. I love black leggings and I will wear them every day if I could. So I'm trying to branch out a little bit, and I really like the look of navy. So I thought that I would also pick up these in this navy color to just change things up a little bit for the new year and just trying to branch out a little bit. And I really think that these will continue to last me years on years, and they're just such a classic style that I wanted another pair. The next thing I got, I tried to veer a little bit outside of my comfort zone, and I'm not sure about these. So like I said, I got the navy blue leggings, but I also got them in this color in their TNA Life Atmosphere high-rise long boot cut. These are long length. Maybe that's why they don't fit. I need to check their website. Maybe they have other lengths, because here's my feedback on them. I really wanted the boot cut to work because like flared leggings are back in, and I just wanted to channel like 2013 Rachel. And no, like I thought that they were a classic style, so I wanted to try them again. And I wasn't gonna keep both. I was gonna keep one or the other between the legging or the boot cut. But I don't know how I feel about the boot cut. Maybe they're too long for me and that's why I'm not loving them. Give me your opinion down below because I might return them, because I just think that they're too long and then the boot cut doesn't quite like hit at the right spot on me, so they look a little bit weird. And the boot cut style is actually $78, so they're a little bit more expensive than the leggings. Let me know what you think on these ones. And then last but not least, in terms of Aritzia bottoms and leggings, I wanted to share with you, I didn't just get these, I've had them for a little bit, but I do have a pair of their TNA Butter leggings. They're still the Atmosphere, that's like the style of them, but the material is their Butter. And I prefer the Life better than the Butter in my opinion. Everybody always raves about the Butter, saying that they are a dupe for the Lululemon Aligns. I don't really think so, and I just think that the material feels like too like soft. It's not as high support, and I just prefer like a legging that makes you feel a little bit more supported. These are super comfortable and I love to like lounge in them and wear them like work from home, all that. Especially this color, this lavender. I love this for the spring, and I wish that this color came in the Life because I probably would have got that, but they're really soft and comfortable. Perfect for a lounge day. This material is not something I would work out in. That's why I think the Life is just so much more versatile. You can work out in them, you can lounge in them, you can wear them out and about, running errands. Like, these are just my favorite. To match that, I love matching sets. Again, I got this a little while ago. This is the TNA Cozy AF fleece, but it's a little bit different. I don't know, I think this is more of a cotton blend, but it is like a half cropped zip sweater. I got this one in a double extra small just because it is meant to fit oversized and I didn't want it to be too oversized, so I just like sized down. Very comfortable. The hoodie is like double lined, so it feels like finished on the inside. It's not like the exposed fuzz. But the inside of the sweater is very fuzzy, and like I love this color so much. Okay, moving along, I want to show you my all-time favorite leggings from Aerie. If you watched my loungewear haul video that I did like a year and a bit ago, I was obsessed with these leggings and I still am. I'm wearing the black ones today. And so I got another pair. They were on sale and that's why I picked them up. They were on sale for $38. I think that was like 40% off from their original, but otherwise they are pretty affordable even without the sale. And I fell in love with these leggings last year and I just needed to pick up another pair for the reason that I'm just obsessed with them. So in terms of the comparison from the Aritzia ones that I just showed you, I think they are a perfect hybrid in terms of material of the TNA Life and the TNA Butter. The TNA Butter is like really, really buttery soft. These are like a hybrid because they are a little bit like buttery, yet they still offer that high support. And that's why for a black legging, these are my all-time favorite. My gripe with them is they don't come in too many colors. So that's why I really like the TNA Life Atmosphere leggings, because they do come in a lot of fun colors. But for just a classic black legging, these are my holy grail all-time favorites. They have the pockets, so they are the Offline, the Hugger legging in a high rise. They are higher in rise than the Aritzia ones, and I prefer this high rise, like it's the perfect high rise on me. And they have pockets on the side. So I've been raving about these leggings since I found out about them a year and a half ago, and I love them. I wear my black ones. I'm wearing them today. I wear them, I swear, like 3 times a week. So I just wanted a second pair for better rotation through the wash. And also, like, I'm just worried that for how much I wear them, like, I just want them to last forever. So I wanted a second pair. Maybe I'm crazy, but for $38, I thought it was worth it. I got another pair. I also have them in that I bought them a year and a half ago. I bought them in this green color, and it's kind of like a heathered material because the fabric is not just solid. And again, they're the exact same. They have the pockets on the side. This fabric washes very well. Absolutely no pilling. I don't know what these are made out of, but they're so great and I love them. Last but not least, from Aerie, I wanted to try something new. And I really wanted to try a pair of their joggers. I've seen a ton of people wear these online and I love this color. And so these are the Offline Real Me jogger. They're Real Me fabric, not the same as the Hugger, but I liked the cut of these and the style, so I wanted to try them. I really like these. And I like the color a lot. So I think these are gonna be a staple for me throughout the next couple of months, and like still working from home pants. I really like these and they're a good jogger. They were also on sale when I bought them. I think I got them for $41 and they are extra small. Now moving into my Amazon dupes and favorites. So if you've been following me for a little while, you know that I've been raving about these black joggers from Amazon. They're by the brand Gym People and I love them. They're my favorite. They fit me so well. They wash so well. They're so comfortable. My favorite. They are in the size extra small. And again, my gripe with them is that they only come in extra small in black. They do offer other colors. They also have like a pretty blue that looks very similar to this granite blue shade from Aritzia. I love them, but I can't buy them because they don't come in extra small. I tried ordering the small and they just didn't fit me properly. They looked too big. So yeah, I wish that they came in more size ranges, be more inclusive, but the black ones are holy grail for me, so I wear these ones to death anyways. If I'm not wearing my black Hugger leggings from Aerie, I'm wearing these. Those are like my 2 go-tos. If you watch my weekly vlogs, you know it's pretty much all I wear. And then last but not least, same brand, same material, the Gym People. I am obsessed with these little like cropped tank tops. These are a dupe for the Lululemon Align tops, and I don't own an Align top from Lululemon, but I went to the store and I've tried them on. I can attest they are identical in cut. The fabric is slightly different, but I really like this fabric and it washes very well. But the cut of the top is like identical in my opinion. They do come with not only a like built-in shelf bra, but there are removable pads. And I really like that because in the summer when it's hot, I just throw this on and I'm good to go. The removable pads that are in it are enough support for me, and this is just like my go-to perfect lounge top. Also really great for working out too, but I'll wear it more for lounging than for working out. So this blue color was the first one that I got, and I love it. Again, like it's in the similar family to this granite blue, but it's lighter, probably closer to my nail shade. Love it. Loved it so much that I ended up going and getting this purple as well. I love purple. This is the front. I'm obsessed with this too. Be careful, because I've seen reviews on that Amazon page for the gym people that there's another seller that will sell on that same like ad listing. So be careful that when you're putting it in your cart that it says that it ships from the gym people. Otherwise, you're not going to get this great quality. So make sure that that is what you're selecting when you're checking out and purchasing from Amazon. A little bit of a buyer beware there. Whew! That is the end of my haul. I can't believe that I have so many items. Like, there's a mountain of clothes in front of me right now. I can't believe I had this many items to share with you. Maybe I went a little bit overboard, but I've been working from home for the last 2+ years, so loungewear is all I wear. And, you know, you gotta feel inspired. You can't wear the same thing every day. You can, but I just needed a few pieces to like spruce things up. I like getting things on sale, so I felt like it was the right time of year to do it when everything was on a good sale, except for the leggings from Aritzia were not on sale, but they never go on sale. This was on sale when I got it, so I lucked out there. But the rest of the stuff from Aerie was on sale, and then Amazon just has incredible prices. So use my links down below to check them out. And I do make a small commission from some of the links in the description, so just letting you know, no obligation, but if you do purchase from my link, then I will make a small commission, very small commission. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. It felt so nice to just catch up with you and chat a little bit and show you all of the things that I've been loving lately. I hope you all are doing well and safe. If you live in Ontario, we're just getting out of another lockdown, which I'm pretty sick and tired of these days. And I don't know, January's just been hard, but this really bright sunny day is like making me feel good. And also I did a bit of retail therapy. Anyways, I hope that you and your families are doing safe and well. And I just want to thank you all for watching me again and again, and it really means the world to me. So I'll talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.